Images of space can be frightening. Space discoveries are made on a regular basis by the Hubble Space Telescope. NASA is primarily concerned with discovering new things in the universe, and they occasionally come across some pretty creepy things in the process. Enjoy this space video showcasing some creepy space images that have been discovered as part of the space explorations. Number 10. God's hand in the ghost world. In addition to haunting Earth on Halloween night, ghouls, ghosts, and other terrifying figures can be seen all around the universe, according to astronomers. Some of the most spine-tingling space photographs to scare the pants off you this Halloween are shown here. When this luminous, green zombie-like hand reaches out from the depths of space, it is in possession of a bright red cloud of light. Is this a huge space zombie looking for something to eat? This nebula is known as the Hand of God by NASA, which is not entirely accurate. It is actually a pulsar wind nebula, which was created by the dense relic of a star that went supernova and burst into a nova explosion. Number 9. Skull with a screaming face. Yikes! This hideous visage in space looks to be screaming as it suffers through a horrible, scorching death in the vacuum of space. However, no real skulls were damaged in the process of taking this photograph. It's actually an X-ray image of a cluster of galaxies known as the Perseus Cluster, taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Number 8. Ghosts from outer space. SH-2136 appears to be a cloud of interstellar gas and dust, in which ghastly individuals appear to be battling to escape from the cloud. There are around 1,200 light years between us and this lit dark nebula, which is located in the constellation Cepheus. Number 7. Skull from Halloween in space. What happened to get this skull into space? Using the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, a radar photograph of the asteroid 2015 TB-145 was acquired on October 30th, 2015. Which NASA believes to be a dead comet. According to the agency, last Halloween, an asteroid in the shape of a skull passed by the planet. Number 6. Nebula of the zombie Pacman. The nebula NGC 246 is located in the constellation Cetus, approximately 1,600 light years away from Earth, and has a menacing appearance. The Skull Nebula, as it's commonly known, is also known as the Pacman Nebula by certain astronomers. It appears to be taking a bite out of the vacuum of outer space. Astronautic missions to the stars, discoveries in the unknown, and questions about our own existence are all possibilities. If any of these intrigue you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Facts Pulse and continue your exploration of the vastness of the universe. Number 5. Witch's Head Nebula is a type of nebula. In this spooky image from NASA's Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, or WISE, a witch appears to be cackling out into space. According to the caption, the Witch Head Nebula, which was named for its similarity to the profile of a wicked witch, is depicted in this infrared image. Number 4. You are being watched by the Eye of Sauron with its evil eye shape. This nebula, formerly known as Formalhaut, bears a disturbing resemblance to Sauron's fearsome Eye of Sauron, which appeared in The Lord of the Rings. In the books, Tolkien described the eye as being rimmed with fire, vigilant and intent, and the black slit of its pupil opened out into a pit, a window into nothingness, and the pupil as being a doorway into nothing. Number 3. Mars face as seen from space. Even though we have yet to discover any evidence of extraterrestrial life on Mars, NASA did locate this frightening human face on the planet. The first face on Mars photograph was obtained by NASA's Viking 1 orbiter on July 25, 1976, and was captured in grayscale. NASA assures us that this face is nothing more than a bizarre collection of pebbles, but it doesn't make it any less eerily beautiful. Number 2. The Ghost Head Nebula is a nebula with a ghostly appearance. The Ghost Head is a fictional character created by the author. The two blazing hot eyes of the nebula stare at us from the Magellanic Cloud, which is approximately 170,000 light years away from Earth. There are hot blobs of hydrogen and oxygen in its luminous eyeballs, which are star-forming areas. Number 1. The Black Widow Nebula is a type of nebula. Despite its enormous size, this massive red space spider is the largest black widow we've ever seen. But don't be concerned, it won't bite you. A nebula, or a cloud of interstellar gas and dust, is actually what it appears to be. Here are a few more. zombie star comes back to life with a bang. Tycho the zombie star was formerly a white dwarf, or the leftovers of a supernova explosion before becoming a zombie star. A type Ia supernova occurs when a dead star absorbs too much mass from another nearby star and explodes again, causing the star to die a second time. Pumpkin stars at the extreme end of the scale. Scientists at NASA have discovered 18 unusual stars that spin at such a high rate that their spherical shapes are squashed into the shape of a pumpkin. These rapidly spinning stars emit X-rays into space at rates that can be thousands of times greater than the rate at which our sun emits them. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to keep you updated on all our future videos. So hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be a part of our Facts Pulse family.